How to compare type of an object in Python? Basically I want to do this. I tried. And it didn't work. Also, what about the other types? For example, I couldn't replicate non-type.
In your case, this instance this is a string, str, will return true. You may also want to read this URL.
First, avoid all type comparisons. They're very, very rarely necessary. Sometimes, they help to check parameter types in a function, even that's rare. Wrong type data will raise an exception, and that's all you'll ever need. All of the basic conversion functions will map as equal to the type function. There are a few other cases. None, BTW, never needs any of this kind of type checking. None is the only instance of non-type. The none object is a singleton. Just check for none. BTW, do not use the above in general. Use ordinary exceptions and Python's own natural polymorphism. This instance works. But keep in mind, if it looks like a duck, and if it sounds like a duck, it is a duck. Edit. For the none type, you can simply do.
For other types, check out the types module. PS type checking is a bad idea.
You can always use the type x equals type y trick, where y is something with known type. Often there are better ways of doing that, particularly with any recent Python. But if you only want to remember one thing, you can remember that. In this case, the better ways would be note the last case, there is only one instance of non-type in Python, and that is none. You'll see non-type a lot in exceptions. Type error column non-type object is unsubscriptable, happens to me all the time, but you'll hardly ever need to refer to it in code. Finally, as Fengshawn points out, type checking in Python is not always a good idea. It's more Pythonic to just use the value as though it is the type you expect, and catch, or allow to propagate, exceptions that result from it.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.